Let me call on our third speaker, our main speaker, for her inspirational message or inspirational talk. She is a marketing management graduate, 4 years employed in private company, Lifestyles full-time business owner, 2019 Life Builders Club Best Trainer Awardee, 2020 Lifestyles Breakthrough Leader Awardee. Please help me welcome Global Marketing Director, Cora Rosell.
Yes, good morning everyone and congratulations to our 1,042 students for batch 12. And syempre, congratulations din sa ating mga mentors. Wow, this is an exciting another batch, no? Pang 12 na batch na to. So, kami, of course, ako personally, I am very excited na makikita yung mag-graduate na naman for this batch 12. So, ako nung dati, I got the award, the NERA Award and the Deborah Award. Wow! Ang ganda-ganda talaga kasi yung effort nyo dito as a student of our 90-day momentum program, talagang nakikita yan. So, ang gandang gawin everyday na naka-enroll ka sa 90-day program. So, lahat ba ready na? So nakikita ko sa mga attendees, we only have 300 plus attendees. So meaning to say, mentors, marami pa tayong gagawin after this kasi yung ibang students natin are not around. So we really need to feed them kung ano yung dapat kasi this is not something when we say batch 12, of course marami ang nag-prepare nito, maraming people ang involved behind this batch, especially our Manny Ferry, GMD Eva Aradillos, the brain of all this. So, yan, hindi to basta-basta. So, kailangan natin may gagawin talaga tayo. Okay? So, I suggest, I would like to request everyone to please, take down notes kasi it's very important, especially yung mga bago. Yes, good morning, Ma'am Juliana Conchas, Good morning sa lahat. Okay, so it's important na magte-take down notes tayo, especially kung students. Kasi time will come that you really need all this mindset trainings para meron kang ma-share sa group mo. So, yung iba, screenshots. But for sure, yung mga screenshots nyo, even to review, pwede pa yang makalimutan. So, just get ready with your notebook and your pen. So, eto na ngayon. Dahil nag-enroll kayo, so, what are you willing to give up to go up? So, this topic, I borrowed this from GMD Peng Mendoza. Nakikita ko talaga na this can really help kasi nga even ako natulungan ako dito. So, are you really willing to give up something so you can go up? Paki-type dyan ng yes. Okay, yes lang tayo ng yes dito. So, are you a finisher? Kasi every time we ask, sino yung mag-enroll for 90-day momentum program? Yes, ang daming nagsasubmit. So, in the beginning, maraming excited. But my question, are you willing to finish it? Okay, kasi kailangan tapusin. Kung ilang beses ka nang nag-enroll dito, you need to do something this 2023 that you really can answer this question. Are you a finisher? Then type, yes, I will finish this race. Okay, next slide. Okay, so kung starter ka lang, mahirap yan kasi wala ka talagang matatapos. Kung you are just a starter. In the beginning, yes, you are part of it. You are excited. You are joining our orientation. Nag-STP ka kaagad on the first day, second day, the third day. Pero nung nasa halfway of the month ka na, doon na naman. Hindi mo na naman tinapos. Yan, sabi ni Miss Ivy, I will finish it. Yes, kailangan talagang tapusin. You should make a promise to yourself and to God na kailangan mo tong tapusin. Don't start and never finishing it. Okay? So, again, what are you willing to give up to go up? Kasi dito wala tayong intention. Bakit pinag-isipan to ni GMD Eva ang 90-day momentum program? Kasi this is the best program na meron tayong direction na kung ano yung pagsimulan natin, we will finish it. Okay? So, yung excitement from day 1 up to the end, dapat you sustain it. Tapusin mo talaga na excited ka. So, after that, gagraduate kayo, then, excited pa rin. Okay? So, sabi nga ni Jessamy Castro, I'm willing to finish this. So, congratulations. You really need to finish it. Okay? So, you need to finish it. What you have started. So, eto na yung award ko noon, no? As while I was International Marketing Director, I've got this Deborah Award and the NERA Award. So, I know it's not easy. Kung babalik-balikan ko nga, mapaluha ako eh. Kasi, I know, I can relate with you mga students. Yung mainit sa labas, yung umuulan sa labas, but why do we need to do this 90-day momentum program? Yes, palagi akong emotional when it comes to this kasi nga when I enrolled this program, talagang nahirapan ako kasi even pamasahe wala. But I'm so thankful. Yung mga awards na yan, the Deborah and the NERA Award, nakaukit na yan sa puso ko. Kaya nga, thank you GMD Eva na for choosing me to be the main speaker. Okay? So, talagang naka-connect ako dito sa 90-day momentum program. But, yung mga students, please, don't na sabihin nyo, ay, pangit kasi yung mentor namin kasi hindi nagpa-follow up. You don't need follow up. Just focus, okay? Huwag kayong dependent na meron kayong mentor, but it is your duty. Dahil nag-enroll kayo, so it is your duty, it is your responsibility na everyday, kahit hindi ka pina-follow up ng mentor mo, may ginagawa ka na naka-align ka sa program natin. Okay? So, promise it to yourself na even without your mentor na nagpa-follow up every day, ikaw mismo, you are so driven kasi nga you promised to finish what you have started. Okay, next slide. So, you need to finish what you have started. So, check what you need to give up. So, ano ba yan? Kasi maraming bagay dito na kailangan natin i-give up. But I will only discuss 5. Yan, sabi ni Nelfa, nalansang na daw siya sa level 3. Yes, kailangan mo nang tapusin talaga to. Mag-graduate ka na, Nelfa Baoy. Okay, so number 1 na i-give up mo dito is your excuses. Sobrang dami. Even in our DSO, yan yung excuses na yan, palagi yang dinidiscuss. Okay, so excuses, it is your very convenient. It is your most convenient lie for not doing what you should do. Napakadali pong maghanap, no, ng paraan na yung mga excuses natin, bakit hindi natin to ipagpatuloy, okay? Yun nga, pagsabihin, kasi wala akong pamasahe. Ang hirap niyan. Walang nakakalusot sa akin. Yung mga downlines ko, talagang I do not buy their reasons. Pagsabihin nilang hindi nakapunta kasi walang pamasahe, hindi ko yan tinatanggap, no? Kasi yung mga excuses na yan, when I started this business, yung pamasahe ko, 10 pesos nga lang yung nasa coin purse ko. Pero bakit nakapunta ako dun? Kasi naglalakad ako just to para mapuntahan ko yung appointment ko. Yung 10 pesos ko na yun na nung dati, yes, sabi ni Jumde Eva, easy not to do it. no? So it's the culprit kasi napakadalit ng ay naku, wag na lang muna. Naku, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas, baka magbabaha, no? So ano pa? Naubusan ako ng products. No? Paano na yan? So, kaninong kasalanan yan kung wala ka ng products? Sobrang dami dito. Kung excuses lang, magbabaha dyan ng excuses. Pero yung mga seryoso talaga dito sa business na to, wala kaming excuses na maisulat dahil we are all using our excuses to do this business. Yung iba, naku, hindi ako pwede mag-enroll dyan kasi walang magti-take care sa mga anak ko, walang magpi-prepare ng foods nila, wala nang time sa family kung mag-i-enroll ako ng 90-day momentum program. Later na lang ako mag-enroll pag malaki na yung mga anak ko. We don't know what's going to happen pagdating ng panahon. So, dapat mag-enroll. Ngayon nga, yung mga nag-enroll, kayo yung concern ko dito. Okay? So, may iba sabihin pa, kasi wala akong car, ang bigat-bigat ng products. So, make that reason na gawin mo tong business na to, do it. No, mag-STP ka kasi pag meron ka ng income dito, ayan, talagang nakakabili ka ng car. Wala nang reason na hindi mo magawa. Okay? Tapos sabi nung iba, ay ayoko nang tapusin kasi talagang nahirapan ako. Sa ano? Saan ka nahirapan? Lahat ng trainings andito na. So, don't use your excuses. Just do it. No? Sabi ni Bonds. Okay? So, yung iba, concern nila, wala silang magagandang damit, wala silang bag na maganda. Of course, hindi yan kailangan. Kailangan dito, malinis lang na pananamit, pwede na yan. Okay? So, all those excuses are fake. So, don't believe in it. Those are lies for not doing what you should do. Okay? Next slide, please. Ano yung next natin? Guilt. Do you have that? Do you have that guilt? Yes. Pakitype nga dyan kung ano yung mga guilt nyo. Tingnan nga natin kung meron ba kayo. Kasi guilt, you need to admit your faults and change throughout your life. Okay? Kailangan yan kasi of course nagmahal ka, minsan nga we lied, nasaktan na tayo, nawala na tayo, nag-iba yung direksyon natin because of that guilt. So, yung iba, a lot of things na marami ka nang na-miss, merong you trusted a lot pero they failed. Tapos you've made mistakes. Marami Yung guilt na yan, minsan nakalimutan na nga natin na meron pala tayong upline. Wala na tayong time na makipag-usap sa upline natin kasi feeling natin marunong na tayo. So that guilt, minsan yan yung nakapag-stop to continue what we've started because of that guilt. So, avoid that. Yung pang-aaway ng uplines, yung hindi pag-a-attend ng functions, yung mga gastusin. Minsan we have that guilt kasi hindi ako nag-attend. It's because hindi kaya. Wala pa akong pera pambayad sa mga functions na yun. Kapag functions na talaga, you should find ways. Okay? So, ano pa? Yung time, yung knowledge mo, okay? Yung knowledge mo na dapat mo i-share, hindi mo nagawa, you have that guilt. So, erase all of them. Again, admit your faults and change throughout your life. Okay? Kasi, kung ano man yung mga nangyayari na yan, most of all, you have learned. Diba? Yes or yes? May learnings ba tayo? So, yung guilt mo na yan, erase that. Sabi ni John Ice, I have guilt. Yes, tayong lahat, we have that. But the best is i-admit kung i-admit yung faults mo, tapos you change, and then what's important, alam mo that you have learned. Kasi yun yung talagang pinaka-importante. May natutunan ka. So to erase guilt, do what you need to do. Okay? So next slide please. Ano yung first? First na kailangan natin i-give up? Ha? Ano? Pakitype nga dyan. Excuses. Second, guilt. Number 3 is negative people. So, ayan. Kailangan natin silang i-give up din yung mga negative people. Marami sila. Alam nyo ba yan? Ang dami nila sa labas. Okay? Tapos, some people belongs to your past. So, those people, no? They belong to us. So it's okay kasi yung mga tao na yan, kung titingnan mo the positive way, yung mga negative na yan, kung alam mo kung paano titingnan, paano mo i-convert to positive, yung mga taong negative na yan, pag sinabi nilang, hay nako, pumasok ka dyan sa lifestyles na yan, hindi mo kaya yan. Gawin mong challenge yan. Kaya ko to. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, and then, huwag ka nang sumama sa mga tao na yan. Yung mga negative people na yan. Yung mga dream stealers mo. Okay? So, there are some people that we have to keep distance to. 'Di ba? Meron ba kayo na talagang tong mga taong to, hindi mo na ako sasama sa kanila, hindi mo na ako magpapakita sa kanila. Okay, sabi nga ni Lizelle, wala akong pake sa nega, I'll prove them wrong. Yes, just do it. Kasi pag successful ka na dito, lahat ng negative people na yan, ano din yan, magiging positive na din yan. But sadya lang talaga, may mga tao na super, super negative. Kahit anong gawin mo, napaka-negative talaga nila. So, avoid them. Okay? Avoid negative people. It's not because you hate them or you don't like them, but it's because we know it's the best thing to do. Na iwasan talaga sila. Of course, even our family, we love them. Meron lang talagang sadyang kapamilya natin na negative talaga. So, paano yan? So, distance na lang. Okay? Distance na lang. Paano? Paano daw pag apply mo yung negative, no? So, magdi-distance ka din. I-ano mo na lang yan. Yung apply mo na negative, still on process pa din yan. Hintayin mo na lang, okay? Hintayin mo na lang kasi later on, makukorek din yan as long as hindi yan nag-stop dito sa lifestyles, dito sa business natin. So, negative people, pakit-on lang kuno na you are successful. Yes, that's the way. Okay? So, next slide, please. Number 4 is worry. So, again, yung number 1 is excuses. Number 2, guilt. Number 3, negative people. And now, number 4, worry. So, are you friends with worry? Kilala nyo yan? So, worry or overthinking makes you believe in lies. Ayan, we need to avoid that. Give up that worry thing. Hindi natin yan kailangan. Sus, pagtingin sa sa kaulapan, naku, parang uulan. So you get worried kaagad na, ay naku, ay hindi na lang ako lalabas. Kasi pag naabutan ako ng ulan, sigurado ako babaha, baka hindi ako makauwi. Ano pa? Hala, sobrang traffic. Ayan, nakita ko sa news, traffic pala. So, nagwo-worry ka na naman na baka anong oras ka makadating. Ang dami mong worries. Hoy, avoid that. Baka ayaw nila magkita kami kasi yung mga kaibigan ko, ano na sila sa ngayon, mayayaman na sila pero ako ganito pa rin. So, stop worrying about it. It's the best time for you to go out and avoid that worries. Okay? Yung worries na yan, instead, be happy. You have to be excited. Avoid talaga yung worry na yan kasi It will lead to fear na minsan dahil natatakot na tayo kasi sobra yung nagsisimula from worries, nagiging fearful na tayo. So, hindi na tayo excited kasi ang dami ng fears na pumapasok. So, here, being a student, you need to eliminate that worry as a leader. Okay? As a leader, you are a person who masters the fear and acts in spite of that fear. So, nawawala yung worry na yan kasi you are a leader. So, wala nang fear. Kasi ano ka na, kumakain ka na ng worries, kumakain ka na ng fears, yung mga rejections, kinakain mo na yan lahat. Hindi na yan part of your daily living. It's normal na minsan talagang may nagtitrigger na nawo-worry tayo, but we are in control of it. Yung mga worries. So, erase it. Okay? So, be a firefly to everybody to make them enlightened. Yes, sabi ni Ivy. Okay, ano yung number 5? Next slide, please. Number 5, negative self-talk. So, ayan, kanina, pag opening natin, ang daming mga affirmations. So, dapat i-practice mo din yan, yung mga affirmations. Kasi negative self-talk, napakadali nating ay naku, ang tanga-tanga ko talaga. Sana nag-sign up na sana yun, pero hindi nag-sign up kasi ang tanga-tanga ko. Bakit napakadaling sabihin natin yan sa sarili natin? Tapos, yung may mga downlines na nag-aaway, hindi kayang tapos sabihin sa sarili, ang hina-hina ko kasi, hindi ko sila kayang kausapin. Ayan, kasi ang pangit-pangit ko pa, kaya hindi ako confident mag-talk. So, ayun, yung mga negative self-talk na yan, mo na yan, throw it away. Throw it away. Pag nagsimula na yung mouth mo na nagsasabi, tanga kasi ako, bite it right away. Tapos, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, no, I'm not that. Nagbago na ako. Iba na ako ngayon kasi student ako sa 90-day momentum program or mentor na ako. So, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin yan sa sarili ko kasi hindi yan totoo. Hindi ako ganyan. So, you will say to yourself, I can do anything. Kaya ko. Maganda ako. I am overflowing with love. So, ayan, kapag yan yung andyan sa puso mo, love is overflowing, nothing can stop you. So, lahat na yung mga negative self-talk na yan, na i-erase na yan. Yes, sabi ni Lizelle, I am enough. Of course, we are enough. Yung mga self-talk na yan, you have to print something, ilagay mo dyan sa wall mo, bago ka lumabas ng bahay, yan yung sabihin mo sa sarili mo. Kasi pag na yung buong katawan mo, you cover it, naka-shield ka na you are positive, na iba ka talaga pag lumalabas ka kasi nga dun outside, pag lalabas na tayo sa bahay natin, masasalamuha mo dun lahat ng negativities, negative situations, andun yan sa labas. So, dahil ikaw na ang andyan, ikaw na yung lumabas, you are in control of it. Okay? So, be careful what you declare. Okay? Be careful what you declare because the potential is within you. Kapag palagi mong sinasabi sa sarili mo na tanga ka, na bobo ka, hindi ka maganda, so it's inside you. It's within you. So, kailangan mo talagang pag-ingatan yan. Okay? Be careful. So, declare you are a millionaire. Always say it to yourself, I am going out because I am a millionaire. Kikita ako dito ng milyon-milyon. Kaya kahit ano pang mga negativities outside, lalabanan ko yan. Kayang-kaya ko yan dahil meron akong Panginoon na kasama ko palagi, and I know God puts me here in this business because God wants to use me to be a blessing to many. So ayan, yung last slide ko, eto na. I want everybody to believe in this. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9 Sabi dito, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So ayan, napakasarap po ng promise na yan. Si Lord, si God natin, kasama natin yan saan man tayo mapunta. Whatever situation is it, andun siya. So, all you need to do is trust Him, na minsan talaga nilalagay tayo ni Lord sa mga situations na parang feeling natin hindi natin kaya, but He's just watching us how we fight for it. Para tayong nasa boxing ring na tinitingnan tayo ni Lord kung paano tayo nagbibigay ng suntok natin. So be strong. Students and mentors, kanya tayo ng mga responsibilities right now. So all we need to do is to trust God, to accept God's blessings na nilagay niya tayo dito, tayong lahat, for one purpose. So, it's all about God. Lahat ng ito. Okay? Again, just believe that God is with you wherever you go. So, I hope this short topic, makakaano na talaga to, makakatulong to sa atin na we will finish batch 12, lahat dyan, kung sino man yung many times na nag-enroll pero hindi pa rin pumasa, this is your time to trust God as you declare that you will finish the race. Stop wasting your time, because time wasted is life wasted. So, tapos na po ako. I hope starting tomorrow, November 1, up to the end of January, lahat excited, lahat strong to finish the race. So thank you very much. Again, congratulations to all the students and to all the mentors. Thank you and good morning.